Watch. Oh.
She's such a squealer.
It's a funny noise.
She did it last time when we put the saddle on and actually cinched it down the first time. That wasn't too bad.
She's from higher.
Her. Do you want to grab his phone or hold this? One of the two? We'll just keep an eye on her.
It's pretty, but wow. Jerk.
Yeah, I really like
Are you living out here?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah. We've been out here since December.
Yeah. Your boy's doing so much better.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, it's good. When we cinched her down the first time, she did that same noise.
That's a funny sound. Funny sound.
She's the whiner. He's usually got something hurt somewhere.
Come on, get that one.
Debating. Yeah, a little bit.
She never had a halter on before we got her. She had it on like a week before. Yeah, a week before we got her.
They just,
I guess
bought her and pastured her? What?
Old man had her. Her sister, and her mom. They're papered too.
She's really pretty.
Supposedly papered out pretty good, but
Don't not give a shit.
That's what I think.
yeah, that's what we think too.
Done though.
Is she?
Yeah. Isn't that ridiculous? I know, huh?
Ready when you are.
That one's John's horse.
I got nothing. I know as soon as I go to step off, she wants to
Looks like you need spurs with her, babe.
No, not this one.